Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is February 2025. Out with the doggies in the woods to thrive. We were doing that walk that I did before. I want to see what it looked like with the snow. We got hit pretty good. It's always nice to look for all the prints in the snow, different animal prints. But today is the tomorrow that we worried about yesterday, folks. Go out and do something fun. Go for a walk in the snow between the cornfields. They're having fun. I didn't bring the booties for their feet though, so we can't go out too long. Live, love, and laugh, folks. You'll be like Mira. She's having really fun. They've been cooped up for a couple days. I love that sound of the snow. Woo, here comes blessing of the sun. So cool that she running. Look at her. Getting the zoomies.